Welcome to Story Spectrum. Imagine a metal so rare, all of it ever mined could fit inside your living room. A metal so dense, a small cube weighs as much as an average person. And so resilient, it withstands the fiercest fires and most corrosive acids. This isn't science fiction. This is the story of platinum. Our journey begins not on Earth, but billions of years ago in the heart of exploding stars. These cosmic fireworks forged heavy elements, including platinum, and scattered them across the universe. Eventually, meteorites carrying this precious cargo bombarded our young planet, seeding the crust with this silvery white treasure. For millennia, it lay hidden, mistaken for an inferior silver, a nuisance to gold miners. The first people to truly value platinum were the pre-Columbian cultures of South America, particularly in what is now Ecuador. As far back as 100 BCE, skilled artisans mastered the difficult art of sintering, a process of heating and hammering platinum dust with gold dust. They couldn't melt platinum, its melting point is over 3,200 degrees Fahrenheit, but they could fuse it into beautiful, durable jewelry and artifacts, creating bimetallic objects that were centuries ahead of their time. These weren't just ornaments. They were symbols of status and spiritual power, shimmering testaments to an incredible early metallurgy. When the Spanish conquistadors arrived in the 16th century, they encountered this strange metal. They called it platina, meaning little silver, a derogatory term. They found it mixed in with gold from their mines and, unable to separate it or melt it, they often threw it back into the rivers, hoping it would ripen into gold. They saw it as a contaminant, a frustration. Little did they know they were discarding a material far rarer and, in many ways, more valuable than the gold they so desperately sought. For the next 200 years, platinum remained a South American curiosity. European scientists received samples, but they were baffled. It was incredibly dense, refused to tarnish, and was nearly impossible to melt with the technology of the day. It challenged the very foundations of chemistry. Was it a new element? An alloy? An unripe form of gold? The mystery deepened. The puzzle started to unravel in the mid-18th century. Scientists across Europe, from Sweden to England to France, began a race to understand platina. They subjected it to intense heat, powerful acids, and every chemical test they could devise. It was a French chemist, Pierre-François Chivonneau, who in 1783, working under the patronage of the Spanish king, developed the first reliable method for producing pure, malleable platinum. He kept his process a closely guarded state secret, creating a platinum age in Spain where the metal was fashioned into luxurious goblets, snuff boxes, and even an entire room clad in platinum for the king. But the secrets couldn't be kept forever. By the early 19th century, British chemist William Hyde Wollaston perfected a commercial process for producing pure platinum. He also made a startling discovery. While analyzing platinum ore, he found it wasn't alone. It was the head of a family of 6 metals, now known as the platinum group metals, which also include palladium, rhodium, iridium, osmium, and ruthenium. Each had its own unique, extraordinary properties. With a reliable supply, platinum's reputation transformed. It was no longer little silver, but the king of metals. King Louis XVI of France declared it the only metal fit for kings. Legendary jewelers like Cartier and Tiffany began to favor its brilliant white luster and incredible strength for their most exquisite creations. Unlike gold, which can impart a yellowish tint to diamonds, platinum's pure white color makes gems appear brighter and more brilliant. Its density and durability mean that prongs holding a precious stone are far more secure, making it the ultimate choice for engagement rings and heirloom pieces that are meant to last forever. The Art Deco period, in particular, embraced platinum's strength, allowing for the creation of intricate, delicate designs that were previously impossible. But platinum's story goes far beyond a jewelry box. Its unique chemical properties make it a silent, indispensable hero of the modern world. Remember that resilience to corrosion and high temperatures? That makes it a perfect catalyst. A catalyst is a substance that speeds up a chemical reaction without being consumed itself. In your car, a small amount of platinum, palladium, and rhodium coats the inside of the catalytic converter. As harmful exhaust gases pass over it, platinum helps convert toxic pollutants like carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxides into harmless carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and water vapor. Over 90% of all new cars sold today rely on platinum to clean the air we breathe. It's a tiny component doing a massive job for global environmental health. Its role in technology doesn't stop there. Platinum is crucial in the medical field. Because it's biocompatible, meaning the human body doesn't reject it, it's used in pacemakers, stents, and catheters. Certain platinum-based compounds are also frontline chemotherapy drugs, powerfully effective in treating various types of cancer. In the world of electronics, platinum's stability and conductivity are essential. It's used in the hard drives that store our data, the thermocouples that measure extreme temperatures in industrial furnaces, and the spark plugs that ignite the fuel in aircraft engines. From glass manufacturing to fertilizer production, this rare metal is working behind the scenes, making our modern lives possible, and the future looks even brighter. As the world pivots towards cleaner energy, platinum is taking center stage once again. It is a key component in hydrogen fuel cells, which generate electricity by combining hydrogen and oxygen with water as the only byproduct. These fuel cells have the potential to power everything from cars and buses to entire buildings with zero emissions. This burgeoning hydrogen economy could represent the single largest new demand for platinum in history, positioning it as a cornerstone of a sustainable future. From a cosmic explosion to a pre-Columbian treasure, from a conquistador's nuisance to a king's desire, from cleaning our air to powering our future, the story of platinum is one of transformation. It's a material that has consistently proven its worth far beyond its dazzling appearance. It's a silent partner in our technological progress and a symbol of enduring value. The next time you see a piece of platinum jewelry, remember that you're not just looking at a beautiful object. You're looking at a piece of a star, a marvel of chemistry, and a key to a cleaner tomorrow. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through the story of platinum, please hit that like button, subscribe, and see you in another story.